In this video, I'm going to show you how to export code files from Lovable.dev. So if you open up your Lovable.dev, so you have your project here. So if you want to export the code files, there are actually two ways how you can do this. One way is just a manual way. So for example, like if you're on your sub project here, click on the code viewer option here. So click on it and this will load up your codes. So what you can do, you can manually click on each one of them, just select it, copy and then paste it to any other application or wherever editor you want to. So you manually copy and paste it. Okay, you can do that. So that's one way of doing it. And another way is you can simply export it to a GitHub project. So if you have a GitHub account or if you don't mind creating one, you can click on this sync to your GitHub project, click on connect. Okay, so click on connect and then what you're going to do is click on connect project and then you can choose your workspace that you want to put, and then organization you can simply add one. Okay, and then select your GitHub account, all those details here, and hit on continue. So here give all the permissions here, so you can select all repositories, only select the repositories, up to you. So I'll just put all, click on install and authorize. Okay, and then once it's done, just plug in your password to authorize these. Okay, so once that's done, so your GitHub project shows here, click on continue and then hit on connect again, and this will now final and wrap up your connection. So it's connected now, hit on view and this will open up your project on GitHub. So once you have opened it up on GitHub here, once you are open up in GitHub here, so what you can simply do is, so once you are done with that, you can click on your shop here. So this is the name, so you can click on your project here. So click on your project's name here and you'll get to this screen here, and here you have the code option. So click on the code and then what you can do, click on download zip. So your entire code will be exported as a zip file here. So there you go, it's done. So this is another way of doing it.